Hey guys, it's me Aihi. Thank you for watching and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an inspired one by Kylie Jenner. As you can see right now on your screen, I'm gonna be recreating this eye makeup look. I have no idea what she used to create it. I do see that she has a pink eyeshadow on and some glitter, and I've looked on all of my palettes, and I think I will use for this look the PELETTE palette from Charlotte Tilbury. And as you can see, it really has like these beautiful pink shades that Kylie Jenner has on her eyes. So I don't know, I do hope it will look nice. I haven't tried this look before, so I say we just jump right into it with this Essential Crease brush by Real Techniques. I'll take this beautiful pink shade from here and I'll apply that on my crease and mostly on the outer part. Now on my lower lash line, I'll apply the same shade with this brush from ZOEVA in the number 226. Now taking any flat brush, I'll apply this first shade from the palette all over my eyelid, and I will be using this shading brush again from Real Techniques. And the same eyeshadow I'll apply here beneath my brow, just to highlight everything. And using the same brush, I'll take this shade. It has more shimmer in it. It's a pink shimmery color, and that I want to apply it right here on the middle of my eyelid. Now to create the wing, I'll take some gel eyeliner, this one by Manhattan, it's a black one, and I'll apply it with a wing liner by ZOEVA in the number 317. Let's try and do this, hopefully without any mistakes, because it's going to be messy. Whew. So let's see. Oh my god, just let me breathe for a second, because I don't know about you guys, but every time that I'm going to do like a cut crease or a wing or anything that it has to be like really precisely, I will like literally hold my breath. It's exhausting. So I'll just go now to the other eye and do like the same wing as I have here. Okay, and we're done with the wing, and I think in the picture she has definitely false lashes, but I just want to keep everything more natural, so I'll just use some mascara, and I will be using this one by Givenchy. It's a black one, and I'll apply that on my upper and lower lashes as well. Now for the face, I'll use some bronzer and a blush, and I'll take this palette from L'Oreal, and as you can see it has a blush and a bronzer together, and this one, it's in the number 1 Cherry Fever, and I'll take this brush to apply it. This one is by Morphe and Jeffree Star, and it's in the number 2, and I'll just kind of, you know, combine the two of them and then apply it here on my cheeks and some here on my forehead. For highlighter, I'll use this palette from ZOEVA, the Caramel Melange, and I'll take the pink highlighter and I'll apply just a little bit on the highest points of my cheeks. So now for the lips. This one was a tricky one because I couldn't really make out if that is a pink nude or more of a beige nude or just any nude, but I did swatch some lipsticks and lip liners that I have, and I think I'll use this lip liner from GERARD Cosmetics. It's in the shade Ecstasy, but before I apply that, I'll go in with some lip balm just to make my lips smooth, and then I'll go with lip liner and first slightly line my lips. And now I'll just go ahead and fill them in. And we are done. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below if you liked the makeup and if you want to see any other inspired makeup looks from celebrities. As always, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell, and I do hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye!